Hello my dears, today our lesson about the place and the value. Let's start our lesson. Here I have a big house. The big house consists of three rooms. The first room, Mr. Wants. The second room, Mr. Tans. The third room, Mr. Hundred. Mr. Wants has only one bed. When I enter the number, I will enter only one digit. Mr. Tans has two beds. When I enter the numbers or the digit, I will enter two digits only. When I enter the digits, I will enter two digits only. Mr. Hundred has three beds. When I enter the digit, I will enter three numbers. For example, if I have number one will enter which room? Number one will enter which room? Hello, Mr. One. I will enter the room of Mr. Wants because Mr. Wants take only one digit. Here I have the room of Mr. Wants. 1. So the place is the home of the number. So the place of number 1 is ones. 2. The place of Mr. 2 is ones. 3. The place of Mr. 3 is 1. 4. The place of Mr. 4 is ones. Can I enter number 4, the digit 4, in the tens room? No, because 4 is only one digit. If I have two digits, like 10, I will enter two ones and tens. Ones in the 0 in the ones and 1 in the tens. I can ever write 10 under the room of ones because ones take only one digit. If I have 20, I will enter 2 in the tens and ones in the 0. 30, 3 in the tens and 0 in the ones. 40, 4 in the tens and 0 in 50, 5 in the tens and 60, 6 in the tens. And if I have three numbers, what can I do? I will enter to the third room, Mr. Hundred. Let's remember that Mr. Wants take only one digit, Mr. Tens 2 digits, Mr. Hundred has 3 digits. If I have 100, so I will write 1 under the 100, 0 under the tens, and 0 under the ones. Okay, let's move to another type, the value. The value of any number depends on its place. If I have here the numbers house, 100, tens, ones. How can I do the value? How can I find the value of any numbers? Together, if I have 83, I have to put the houses first, ones and tens. Then 3 is ones and 8 is tens. So when I say the value of any number depends on its place, the 3 is ones, so I will put 3 without any 0, and the 8 is tens. The tens put only 1, 0. So in the tens I put a 0, and in the ones no 0. So 3, I will write the value of 3 as 3. 8, I will write 80 with 1 0 because tens take 1 0 and ones don't take any 0. I have here 12. I need to know which is ones and which is tens. So 1 is tens and 2 is ones. Now I need to know the value of each numbers. Remember that the value of any number depends on its place. Mr. Tans take only 1 0. Mr. Ones don't take any 0. So, tens, I will put a 0. Ones, no 0. So, when I say the value of ones, 2. The value of tens, I will put only 1 0, so the number will be 10. I have here 19. First step, I will put one sentence. So, number 9 in the ones place, and its value 9. Ones don't take any 0. And number 1 in the tens place, and its value 10, because tens take only 1 0. I have here 46. Let's solve together. First step, I must put the ones and the tens. Here complete. The place of 4 is, and its value is. Where is number 4? In which place? In which place number 4? Tens. And the value. Tens take how many 0? 1 0. So the answer will be 40. The second, I have the place of 6 is. The place of 6, in which place? In which place? Ones place. And its value is. Ones don't take any 0, so the answer will be 6. Here, write the place of the digit 5 in the following numbers. I have 53, 5, 65, 50. First, I must put one sentence, one sentence, one sentence. In the first one, the 5, in which place? Mr. Tens. So I will write tens. Here, 5, once. Here, in 65, ones. Here, in 50, tens. Another example. Write the place of the digit 9 in the following numbers. I have here 39, 90, 9, 97. First, must put the houses. One sentence, once, one sentence, one sentence. Then, in the first number, where is the place of number 9? Once. Here, in 90, tens. Here, once. Here, in 97, tens. Circle the value of the blue digits. I have here the first one, 83. And the blue digit is 8. In which house? Mr. Tans. Okay, Mr. Tans take how many 0? 1 0. So the value of 8 is 80. The second, I have 45. One sentence, and the blue digit is under the ones. So, Mr. Ones take how many 0? No 0. So the answer will be 5. 17. I will put one sentence, then the blue digit is 1. In which place? In tens. Mr. Tens take 1 0, so the answer will be the value of 1 is 10. Okay, then I have here 62. I put one sentence, then 2 is the blue digit. 2 take 0 or no? The value of 2 is what? 2. I have 37, put one sentence, then the blue digit is 3, so 3 take 1 0, the value of 3 is 30. The last one, I have 94, one sentence, the blue digit is 4, so the answer will be, the value of 4 is 4. Let's remember together that the one stack consists of 10 small squares. When I make 10 small square, that means equal 10. 10 small square equal 1 tenth. Tenths mean 1 0. So 1 stack equal 1 tenth and 1 small square equal 1. 1 ones. So the 10 ones equal 1 tenth. And the ones is the separate small square. And the tenth is one stack look like this small square. I have 35. 3 is tenth. That means that I will make how many stacks? 1, 2, 3. 30 small square and 3 stacks like this. And I have in the ones 5. 5 is ones. How can I make this? 5 small squares separate small square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here count and circle the correct answer. I have here how many stacks in the first question? One stack, so 1 in the tens. And how many separate small square? 4, so 4 in the ones. So the answer will be 14. Here, how many stacks? 1, 2. And how many separate small square? 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be 23. Here, how many stacks? 1, 2, 3. And how many separate small square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer will be 36. Here, how many stacks? 3. 3 in the tens. And how many separate small squares? 3. So the answer will be 33. Here, how many stacks? 1 and 2. And how many separate small squares? 6. So the answer will be 26. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 in the tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 in the ones. So the answer will be 48. Here, 1 stack, 1 in the tens, 1, 2, 3, 3 in the ones. So the answer will be 13. Here, 1 stacks and 1, 2, 1 stack and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. So the answer will be 19. Here, 1, 2, 3, and 3 in the tens and 4 in the ones. So the answer will be 34. Complete. I have here 43. So, first step, I will put the houses ones and tens. 4 tens and 3 is ones. 4 tens means that I will put 1 0. So the answer will be 40. And 3 ones. 3 ones mean I will write 3. No 0. Another one, I have here 70. So, first step, ones and tens. 7 is tens, so equal 70. And 0 is ones, equal 0. Another one, 29. First step, ones and tens. 2 is tens, so equal 20, 1, 0. And 9 is ones, so equal 9. Write the value of each digit. I have here 56. First step, I will put ones and tens. 5 under the Mr. Tens. Mr. Tens take only 1 0, so the answer will be 50. And 6 under the place of Mr. Ones. Mr. Ones don't take any 0, so the answer will be 6. Another one, I have 65. First step, ones and tens. 6 under the place of Mr. Tens. Mr. Tens take 1 0, so the answer will be 60. And 5 under the Mr. Ones, and the answer will be 5. Expanded form. What mean by expanded form? that adding the numbers with its values. So Mr. Tens, I will put only one zero, and Mr. Ones don't take any zero. For example, if I have 32, first I will put the houses ones and tens. 2 is ones, I will put 2. 3 is tens, I will put 3 with 1 0, so the answer will be 30. 56, first step I will put ones and tens. 6 is ones, so I will put 6 without any 0. And 5 is tens, I will put 5 with 1 0, so the answer will be 50. So 50 plus 6 equal 56. The last one, I have 80. I will put ones and tens. 0 is ones, I will put 0. And 8 is tens, I will put 8 with 1 0. So 80 plus 0 equal 80.
Write the expanded form of the numbers. Okay, first number I have here 67. So we put our places ones, tens. 7 in ones, its value equals 7. 6 in tens, its value equals, in tens we put a 0, so its value will be 60. Next, 89, we put our places ones, tens. 9 in ones, its value equals, I get the value and put it here, equals 9. Okay, 8 in tens, its value equals 80. Now, you want to know the number that it will be 10 plus 2. I want to back forward. So, put places as we do first. Ones, tens. Then, 10 plus 2 equals what? 12. Easy. Next, I ask here about the number that equals 60 plus 5. So, put places ones, tens. So, here 5 in which place? In ones. So I will back 5 again to its home. 60. 60, it means back forward 6 in tens. Or I can say 60 plus 5 equals what? 65. It is the same.
For example, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sticks. Sticks mean that I have 40 small square. 40 small square. 4 sticks mean 4 tens. And if I have 1, 2, 3, 3 small square, 3 ones. The small square mean ones. And the one stick mean tens. So that means that 4 tens plus 3 ones equal what? Equal 40 plus 3. So the answer will be 43. Write how many tens and ones. If I have 1, 2, 3, 3 tens, so I will write 3 behind the tens. And one small square. Small square mean ones, so I will write 1. So 3 tens mean 30. And 1 ones mean 1 without any 0. So the answer will be 31. Another example, if I have 1 stack and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 stack means 1 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones mean 4 behind the ones. 1 tens mean 10 and 4 ones mean 4. So the answer will be 14. Place and value. What is the place and what is the value? The place is the home of the number, tens or ones. Here, complete in page 33. 53, what is tens and what is ones? Here, 5 is tens and 3 is ones. 78, 7 is tens and 8 is ones. Huh? 45, 4 is tens and 5 is ones. 29, 2 is tens and 9 is ones. 70, huh? 7 is tens and 0 is ones. 18, 1 is tens and 8 is ones. 36, 3 is tens and 6 is ones. 82, 8 is tens and 2 is ones. 61, 6 is tens and 1 is ones. 70, 57, 5 is tens and 7 is ones. Okay, here in page 34, write the value of the underlined digit. The value means that I will write, if the number is tens, I will write with 1 0. If the number is ones, I don't write any 0. Here, I have 54, I will write 5 with 1 0. 47, he underlined 7, 7 without any 0. 8, 83, 8 with 1 0 because it stands here. 5, 5 ones, so 5 with no 0. 8 with 1 0, 80. 3, 3 ones without any 0. 7, 7 with 1 0, 70. 2 is tens, 20. 4 ones without any 0. 51, 1 is ones, 1 only. 37, 3 with 1 0. 62, 62, 6 with 1 0. 55, 5 with 1 0, tens. 42, 2 without any 0. 18, 1 with 1 0. The rest of the page homework. Okay, attention please here. In page 35, I have two types, the value and the place. The value means that I will put 0 or no. And the place means that I will write ones or tens. Here, the value of 7 in 71. The value means that I will put 0. So, here, I will put 0 or no. Okay, 7 in tens place. Mr. Tens take how many 0? 1. So the answer will be 70. The place value of 9 in 89 is the place of 9. Ones. The value of 4 in 14 is the value 4. The place of 0 in 30 is ones. The value of 0 in 30 is the value 0. The place of 2 in 23 is 2. 2 in which place, Mr. Tens? The place is what? Tens. The value of 8 in 80 in the number? The value of 8 is 80. Let's move to another page. Write the place of the underlined digit. Here, 54. The underlined number is 5. So, in which place? Tens. Here, 73. In which place 3? Ones. 22. This 2. In which place? Mr. Tens. Tens. 96. 9. In which place? Mr. Tens. 18. 8. In which place? Ones. 45. 5. In which place? Ones. 72. 7. In which place? Tens. Here, 81. 8. In which place? Tens. 36. 6. In which place? Ones. 91. 1. In which place? Ones. 84. 4. 84. 8. In which place? Tens. 79. 9. In which place? Ones. 28. 2. In which place? Tens. 53. 5. In which place? 5. In which place? Tens. Write the digits in the correct place to form a number. The first one, 5 tens and 4 ones. So I write 54. The second one, I have 8 ones and 6 tens. First, I must put one sentence. So 8 ones, I will write 8 under the ones, and 6 tens, I will write 6 under the tens. So the answer will be 68. 9 tens and 3 ones. First, I must write the houses, ones and tens. Then, 9 tens, I will write 9 under the tens. 3 ones, I will write 3 under the ones. So the answer will be 93. 7 tens and 7 ones. First, I will write one sentence. Then, I will write 7 under the tens and 7 under the ones. So the answer will be 77. 5 ones and 1 tens. I will write the houses, ones and tens. Then 5 ones, I will write 5 under the ones, and 1 tens, I will write 1 under the tens. So the answer will be 15. 6 ones and 3 tens. First, I will write ones and tens. Then 6 ones and 3 tens. What can I do? 6 under the ones and 3 under the tens. So the answer will be 36. 2 tens and 5 ones. First, I will write ones and tens. Then 2 tens and 5 ones. 2 under the tens and 5 under the ones. So the answer will be 25. 4 tens and 8 ones. I must write ones and tens. Then 4 under the tens and 8 under the ones. So the answer will be 48. Here in this question, I must write the houses first to answer. Let's move to another page 38. Complete. I have here the numbers and tens and ones and expanded form. 19. I must put the tens and ones. So here, what can I write behind the tens? 1. Behind the ones, 9. So 1 tens mean 10 and 9 ones mean 9. So the answer will be 19. 13 here, what can I do? I will write 1 behind the tens and 3 behind the ones. 3 ones means 3 and 1 tens mean 10. The tens take 1 0. So the answer here will be 13. 16. 1 behind the tens and 6 behind the ones. So 6 ones mean 6 and 1 tens mean 10. So the answer will be 16. 11. 1 behind the tens and 1 behind the ones. So 1 tens mean 10 and 1 ones mean 1. So the answer will be 11. 14. I will write 1 behind the tens and 4 behind the ones. 4 ones mean 4 and 1 tens mean 10. So the answer will be 14. 15. 1 behind the tens and 5 behind the ones. 1 tens mean 10 and 5 ones mean 5. So the answer will be 15. Here, solve the expanded form. Let's solve together. I have here 23 equal what plus what equal 23. 20 plus 3 equals 23. Here, 17. First, I must write the houses. One sentence. So, here, 1 is tens, so I will write 1 with 1 0, and 7 is ones, I will write 7 with no 0. Here, 96. I will write the houses. One sentence. So here, 6 is ones, 9 is tens, 9 with 1 0, so the answer will be 90. 74, first step I will write one sentence, then I have here 74. First I will write one sentence. So 4 is 1, so I will write 4. 7 is tens, I will write 7 with 1 0, so the answer will be 70. So 70 plus 4 equals 74. I have here 31. I have here 31. First, I will write one sentence. So 1 is ones and 3 is tens. What can I do? What can I do? I will write 3 with 1 0 and 1 only without any 0. The rest of this part is homework. Let's move to another example that I have here. 10 plus 2 equal what? 10 plus 2 equal what? First, I must write the ones and the tens. Here, where is the number that don't have any 0? The 2. So I will write the 2. And the number take 1 0 is 10. I will cross the 0 and write 1 under the tens. So the answer will be 12. Here I have 40 plus 8 equal what? First one sentence. So 8 is ones and 40 I will cross the 0 and write 4. So the answer will be 48. Here, 90 plus 1. 90 plus 1. What can I do? One sentence. So, 1 is ones and 90. I will cross the 0 and write 9. So the answer will be 91. 50 plus 6. 6 is ones and 50 is tens. I will cross the 0 and write 5. And 5 under the tens and 6 under the ones. So the answer will be 56. The rest of the page homework.
Thank you, my dears.